So Shanghai has this really rich Art Deco heritage from like the 1920s and 30s.
Yeah.
And, think about it, sleek lines, geometric patterns.
Right, a sense of elegance.
Exactly.
I love Art Deco.
Yeah, and the Shanghai logo, while it's definitely contemporary, it seems to echo some of those elements.
Oh, interesting. So they're not just chasing trends, they're actually grounding this in something that's already part of Shanghai.
Exactly. It creates this sense of continuity.
And we can't forget about social media.
Oh, of course not.
I mean, this thing is practically made to be Instagram.
It is. It's like a visual magnet for attention.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And that's going to get people talking about Shanghai.
And you're right, because these days, a city's visual identity is so important. It's not enough to just have amazing attractions anymore.
You have to create an experience,
A feeling.
a sense of place.
Yeah. The sense of identity. And the Shanghai logo seems like it was made for that.
Bass hit your when the bass hit your face, you be like